Soybeans and wheat leading the way. AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with more in Markets Now.
Grains closing higher on Wednesday. Matt Bennett is back with analysis. And Matt, kind of an impressive move in the grains on Wednesday. You started lower, but managed to muscle back pretty resilient.
Yeah, absolutely. On Wednesday, the overnight markets look pretty rough again. I mean, beans down double digits, corn was down, easily down. And then, you come down to the day session, all of a sudden, beans continue to grind higher. I mean, you end up with double digit gains. I mean, a very impressive type of trade. Definitely feels like fun buying to me. It's just kind of a steady flow of purchase orders. Volume's been decent. I still think the funds are exiting short positions.
Is that just because it's into the quarter? I mean, do they keep exiting those shorts or not?
Yeah, that's the big question. And so I do think end of month, end of quarter, a couple other things come to mind this week. Of course, a lot of folks had rainfall over the last week. I don't think there's a lot of hedge pressure here this week. So I think there's a lot of things at play here that lead me to believe it's not, it's a big crop. So it makes you wonder, why are we rallying? But at the same time, I can kind of get it this week. But if we're doing this again next week, I've got to think there's some things going on or issues at hand that we haven't really considered yet, because this week might make a little more sense with being end of month.
Yeah, no doubt. We also got news about China's economic stimulus and maybe them being in, at least buying some beans. Has that been a push as well?
Yeah, there's no doubt. We came in here, on Tuesday morning, you find out that, hey, China's cut their interest rate. They're trying to spur their economy a little bit here. Oh, and by the way, they also bought 7 cargoes of soybeans. And so I don't know, the timing of all those announcements kind of interesting, but regardless, they all happened kind of at the same time, and certainly led to a very strong rally as far as soybeans were concerned. Yes, they backed off by the end of the day, but over the course of 2 days, you'd been looking at like 45-cent gains at one time. And so it's a very impressive move, but it's because of the variety of things, but definitely China factors in there.
No doubt. Thanks for joining us. Matt Bennett with agmarket.net. We'll have more Ag Day coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
To contact Matt Bennett at Ag Market, call 844-4AG-MARKET or visit their website at www.agmarket.net.